The schwa vowel U. Pronouncing. This schwa vowel is a very short, quick sound. Your lips should be completely relaxed and barely move during its production. Is the sound that results when any vowel in English is unstressed in a word. The vowel in all unstressed syllables almost always sound like U. Any letter or combination of letters can represent the schwa. Possible pronunciation problems. In most languages, vowels are pronounced clearly and distinctly. The schwa does not exist in English. Unstressed vowels should receive much less force than other vowels in the world. In order to speak fluent English, you must unstress or reduce any vowels that not in accented syllables of words. Vowel reduction to is not sloppy speech. It is an important feature of spoken English. Spell it: arrive, ashamed, sleep, awake, occur, obtain, lemon, lesson, oven, open, jacket, believe, liquid, humid, cousin, capital, upon, suppose, circus, support. At the beginning of words: ago, away, alone, amaze, asleep, suppose, upon, contain. In the middle of words: agony, holiday, company, buffalo, relative, 70, telephone, photograph. At the end of words: soda, sofa, zebra, reason, famous, lemon, cousin, circus. Note: the schwa can occur more than once and can be represented by different letters in the same word. President, elephant, accident. Here we can see some examples. The schwa vowel. It is a vowel sound and its technical name is the my central vowel. It is often called the schwa sound, but that refers to the symbol that is used. It is nothing to do with the phonetics of the sound. Remember that the key to pronunciation is physical, and the name tells us about how the sound is made physically. Out, as in out, house, and cow. Pronouncing O. Lips glide from an open position. Yaw rise with the thumb and closes. Thumb glides from low to high near the roof of the mouth. Out is a diphthong. A diphthong is a compound vowel sound made by blending two vowels together very quickly. Possible pronunciation problems. O should be easy for you to pronounce if you remember it is a diphthong, which is a combination of two vowel sounds. Be sure your lips glide from a wide, open position to a closed one, or you might simply be pronouncing the vowel up. Examples: pound will sound like pun, down will sound like done. You won't have many doubts about which words include the sound out. At the beginning of words: out, our, ourselves, of it, outside, outline. In the middle of words: down, crown, pronounce, mouse, vowel. At the end of words: allow, cow, how, spell it, soul, cloud, thousand, power, clown. Note: a less frequent spelling pattern for out consists of the letters out, bow, through, cloud. Out sound is a diphthong sound, which means it is a combination of two vowel sounds that are pronounced within the same syllable. Like vowels, the diphthongs are all made through the mouth and are voiced, which means that you vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound. Unlike with vowels and consonants, when you pronounce a diphthong sound, your mouth will change position and shape as you say the sound, because they combine two vowel sounds. Sentence practice. Miss Brown found a mouse in the house. Miss Brown lives in a